Alright guys, part 2, here it comes. Oh, where's the tater masher? This could be useful instead of a straight up potato masher. This could be useful in its own right. That's what you do with some of the potato. And it cuts up the peel some. But hey, peel's good. It's got nutrients in it if you know how to use it right. Hide your fucking wallet. This, what's kind of steamy? Steamier than the furry porn film. Shit! God! Woo! What? Fucking hot, steamy. Found it. And then you're just cutting this shit up. I'm burning myself, folks. I must be a masochist. Put the battery cables to me. Make me really feel it. Shit. God damn it. I'm bashing this shit and it's popping on me. It's bound to happen though. God. Holy smokes. Bro. God damn it. Oh. Well, looks like I got scorched. Now I got to trim my nails a little bit. You see, I kind of got... I don't know if you can see it or not, but my fingers have gotten red. The ones that are popped. Redder than the others. I'll be seeing it right offhand or not, but shit, they're kind of... Whoa! Holy smokes, I'm vagina. Yeah, it's not kid-friendly videos, but then again, half the shit on this channel tank. Ah! Steam even burns his shit. Fuck me. Not asking literally. Fuck no. I'd rather keep my celibacy because I don't give one. Oh, that sucks so. Here we go. Pop it in. Rinse them off more thoroughly and then I'll pop them in. Cowgirl breaks a young man's heart. That's how the horse so they came apart. With cold and empty stare, as if I wasn't there. You didn't make me stop crying. Guess that's how cowgirl says goodbye. Bye. You can pop. Heat makes the scald spot sensitive to it. Heat makes it react. The spot you get scalded react to it. Pain sensors go signal even stronger. Where'd it go next there? I never was there. some of them just, I just want to be iffy sometimes with you. Derek Road goes trying to skip on me. Like I said, the fresh ones went in. Now the canned ones go in, juice and all, broth and all in it. And then you stir that shit in. Just a little bit. I got my celery, I just have the celery salt, black pepper. Just a teeny bit of it. Come on, salt. I wish I had me some Old Bays and or seafood seasoning. Or Tony Sash instead of Zatarain's can be all right at times. Oh shit! Garlic in those cubes. I'm gonna do a little granulated. Oh! I ain't using that. That's only for poultry and pork. Fuck. Yep, figured we ran out. Didn't even stop to cry. Cowgirl says goodbye. Actually, I got this another one. And I believe what love is king. When a boy meets a girl, here's what they say. When the moon hits the night like a bigger pizza pie, that's some more day. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's some more day. Bells a ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, when you sing Vita Bella. Hearts to play, tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella. Lucky fella. When the stars make you drool, just like a pastifizo, that's amore. I started to taste more familiar. When you dance down the street with a coal out of your feet, you're in love. When you walk in a dream, but you know you're not dreaming, senora. No, excuse me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore. But you know, senora, scusa me, but you see, back in old Napoli, there's amore, signore, that's amore. I used regular with heavy cream, but grass-fed would be best. When the moon is alive, I get a piece of pie that's amore. The April showers may come your way. They bring the flowers that bloom in May. So if it's raining, I've no regrets, because it isn't raining when you know it's raining violets. And where you see clouds upon the hills, you soon will see crowds upon crowds of daffodils. Bullshit. So keep on looking for a bluebird and listening for its song whenever April showers come along. The April showers, they come your way. They bring the flowers that bloom in May. So if it's raining, I've no regrets. So keep on looking for a bluebird, listening for its song whenever April showers come along. See you in a little bit.